IcySea is available via the webpage https://icySea.app. It is important to note that even though you access IcySea through a URL in your browser, you do not need to be online to open IcySea again after the first time. In this sense, IcySea is an app delivered through your web browser. When you open the IcySea URL for the first time, you will be asked to enter your access token. If you already have a token, enter it to access IcySea directly. If you forgot your token, you can find it in the email sent to you after registration by searching for IcySea and/or token in your email client. If you cannot recover your token, please contact us at support@driftnoise.com. If you have never registered, you can do so on your first visit, and you will qualify for a 14-day free trial. Click on Register, enter your email, accept the terms, and optionally subscribe to the IcySea newsletter. We recommend subscribing to the newsletter. It has low traffic and is always directly related to IcySea. After registration, an email will be sent to you with a verification link. After you click the verification link, the access token will be sent to your email address. Copy and paste the token from your email, enter it in the starting window, and click on Load and Run IcySea. Once you see the map display, IcySea is installed. As mentioned earlier, you can retype the URL into your browser to open it again, even offline. However, for more convenience, you can install it as a standalone app so it appears in your Start menu. The easiest way to install IcySea is using the Chrome or Edge browser. On a PC or MacBook, you will find a symbol in the corner of your browser bar that asks you to install IcySea. Click on it, and IcySea will appear as a single app icon in your Start menu. On a tablet or smartphone, the Install option should pop up automatically after your first visit to the IcySea webpage. To check your current subscription status and the expiry date of your subscription, click on the Settings button in the upper left corner. There you can see the start and end date of your current subscription. Subscription periods are based on service contracts with vessel operators, and the subscription time reflects the period for which the vessel operator has paid. If the end date does not align with what you think should be correct, first click on the Update Subscriptions button. If the end date remains unfavorable, please contact us at support@driftnoise.com or directly contact the responsible person at the company who has paid for the IcySea service. Finally, we would like to emphasize that IcySea is continuously evolving, and there will be updates available on a regular basis. Ideally, when a new update is available, there will be a pop-up button at the left side of the screen asking you to update. In case the update is not triggered automatically, you can actively check for new updates. Clicking in the Information button in the upper left corner, scroll down and click on Check for Update. Now you are ready to proceed with the next tutorial video, First Steps with IcySea.